In this tutorial, we'll be understanding the differences between class variables, instance variables, and local variables in Python classes. Let's break down the code. The class underscore variable is defined within the class but outside any methods. This is a class variable, and it's accessible by all instances of the class. The instance underscore variable is defined within a method and is prefixed with self. This is an instance variable, and its value is specific to each instance of the class. Lastly, local underscore variable is defined within a method without the self prefix. This is a local variable, and it only exists within the scope of the method it's defined in. In the output, we can see that the class variable is accessed by calling the class name itself. The instance variable is accessed by calling the specific instance of the class. And the local variable is printed when we call the function, as it's local to that function only. Let's see another example that shows what happens when we try to access a local variable outside its method. As expected, we got an attribute error. That's because the local variable only exists within the scope of the method it's defined in and can't be accessed outside of that. Remember, class variables are shared among all instances, instance variables are unique for each instance, and local variables only live within the methods they are defined in. That's it for this tutorial. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of the differences between class variables, instance variables, and local variables in Python. Happy coding!